Today I am going to give a demonstration of Brewster angle apparatus. This is a first apparatus setup of the Brewster angle. This is a detector output measurement unit. We have measured the microampere and milliampere, and this is a detector. And we have using the sample like glass, slide glass, and this is our gonimeter. We have placed this sample, and this is a analyzer, and this is a diode laser. In this experiment we have find out the refractive index and Brewster angle. Like if I am saying that this is a glass sample, this is a refractive index is a 1.5 near, and when I have put the value 10 into theta, then we get at the Brewster angle. When we have put the value like 10 inverse into refractive index, then we have got the Brewster angle. So first of all we have set the 0 degree, vernier scale and main scale, and this is a detector, and then we have got it 14.3 milliampere current when light is directly passes through diode laser to detector. After that we have, in this case we have two waves are generated. One is a reflected wave, like just wave is coming here, laser is coming here, and after that reflect this side. And second is a refract this side, like this one is a refracted and this one is a reflected. After that we have just different angles. We have take a reading, like first we have placed 20 degree angle, main scale 20 and vernier is 0, like 20 degree angle. And after that we have just set the reflected wave, like this one red color, and take the reading from here. Example, we have got it 1.7. Make sure reflected wave sharp spot is fall in the detector point. And after that we have changed this angle with help of this knob, and after that we have get it 40 degree, and that rotate clockwise detector, and we have get it the second reflected wave from here, and we have got it 0.5 milliampere current. After that just rotate again, like we have 56 degree, and again just clockwise rotate the detector and detect the red color spot, a reflected wave. Now we have get the frequency on a microampere. We got it the 1110 microampere current. We have changed the again degree, like 60 degree. Then we have got it the microampere 18.1 microampere current, and again we have just rotate 70 degree, and we have got it the reflected wave like this one, and take reading here. The reading we have take reading 3 times for different angles, like 20, 30, 40, 55, for the minimize the error. Like we have get, when we have set the 20 degree, then we have got it the 5.3 milliampere current, 33.5, and near about 55 or 56 we have got it the minimum current, like microampere 26 or 20 microampere. After that we have find out the Brewster angle like this, using this formula 10 into, we have put the theta value, then we have got it the Brewster angle. And when you find the refractive index, we have put the 10 inverse minus refractive index, like glass is a 1.5, then you got it the Brewster angle. And like this one we have got it the this all current we have converted in the microampere. So we have got it near about 55 or 56.6 near about Brewster angle for the glass.